confusion. Now, we are going to watch a skit how media exaggerates a misunderstanding into a big problem.
A classroom situation on the inspection day. This is a class of 8th standard. Students are attentively listening to the teacher. The teacher teaches the English version of Ramayana, particularly the Swayamvar, marriage of Lord Rama. It takes place in the court palace of King Janaka. As story goes, whomever bends or breaks the bow of Janaka will able to hold the hand of Princess Sita.
The teacher enters into the classroom.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Be seated.
Thank you, ma'am.
Listen to me carefully. Today, our school is being inspected by the inspector of school. You will have to maintain silence.
Yes, ma'am.
Students, do you know the story of Ramayana? Don't you?
Yes, ma'am.
You see, now we are going to read the Swayamvara of Lord Rama with Sita. Lord was there with many princes from many kingdoms. The king Janaka announced that the valiant one who is able to bend or break the bow will be chosen as the husband of Sita. Many princes tried one by one and failed, but Rama succeeded and got the hand of Sita. Do you understand, students?
Yes, ma'am. The visit of school inspector and principal. They enter into the classroom.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
You see, students, today it's our great pleasure to have inspector in our school. Students, wish him
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, what to say about the class, sir? So well behaved and also performing good grades in their academics, sir.
Okay, okay. I will see.
Sir, may I leave, sir?
You may leave.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Is it his class, eh?
Yes, sir. This is class 8 standard.
What is going in the class?
Sir, the Swayamvara from Ramayana is going on, sir.
May I ask one question?
Yes, sir. Sure.
You, stand up. Who broke the bow?
Sir, I didn't break the bow, sir. It must be my money, sir. He broke the window pan yesterday, sir. Yes, sir. Today his father is coming to meet headmaster for breaking the window pan, sir.
Yes, sir. What they say is 100% correct. Manish is the most notorious boy in the class. He must have break the bow. He is constant nuisance to all, sir. Better we can dismiss him from the school. Manish, stand up.
Okay, okay. Sit down.
The bell rings for interval. The inspector with utter bafflement leave the classroom to the HM chamber.
The children are making fun of Manish as he is going to be expelled from the school.
Bye,
Manish, bye! Manish, he goes for his lunch and returns to the classroom a bit earlier than other children, and he starts playing with his handkerchief. While playing, the handkerchief gets clung to one of the blades of the fan in the ceiling. He tries to retrieve the kerchief by arranging a chair. While the children entering into the classroom misunderstand that Manish is trying to commit suicide as he is going to be expelled from the school, they start shrieking, "Oh, Manish! Manish is going to suicide! Manish!" By seeing this, Manish loses his balance and falls down. The commotion is intimated to the class teacher and headmaster. He is rushed to the first aid and nearby nursing home. The boy of a class 8 trying to commit suicide spread viral in the media. Let us hear the response of the media and the people.
Two politicians confront each other in media. One, Mr. Mr. Arun Yadav from ruling party. The other from opposition, Mr. Dharun Yadav.
Dear audience, today we have Mr. Arun Yadav and Mr. Dharun Yadav to discuss about the reasoning happening of one schoolboy who's committing suicide inside the school itself. Sir, what do you think about the student of class 8 who's committing suicide inside the class itself? There's a problem with government educational policy. Be responsible.
Surely the opposite party, they only framed that policy during tenure as ruling party.
Put the rule. Let them step down from the government.
It is you and your party hatching conspiracy, we will put you in jail.
I would dare to defend my party. It's you foolish rulers who are torturing the people.
Hey you fool!
Hey you idiot. Hey you. Who is responsible?
No, you are responsible.
No, you're only responsible.
Please, both of you stop fighting. This is my responsibility, not both of you. Both of you, please go home.
Okay, my friend, our issue is solved.
Let's go home.
Ministers.
Sir,
Good evening.
as the education minister, what do you think about the boy of class A standard attempting suicide inside the school? Please, sir.
It's a foreign country's conspiracy. They are trying to sow the seed of terrorism among the students. We have got the report from the intelligence department and we have sufficient proof. We'll submit it to the World Forum.
Please, sir, can I name the country, sir?
You know very well which country is behind this heinous act. Sorry, I'm running out of my time. I've got a meeting with the film star Miss Shobha Sri. We are going to discuss about the foreign relationships.
Sir, whether it is foreign relationship or personal relationship, sir.
Police, clear the crowd.
Following the incident of a boy attempting suicide, one of the city schools organized a rally protest against child abuse. Let us watch a live report from Vigar TV. I am Sonia from Vigar TV. Now we are going to watch a live report. 2 days back, we reported a boy of class 8 attempting suicide inside the classroom of school. This shocked the country. There are many responses from many quarters. Now we are going to witness a live telecast from Ekta Square from our reporter, Miss Manisha. Miss Manisha, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, Sonia.
What's going on there?
SSK school children are coming in a position. A huge crowd of independent marching up with the placards and the slogans.
Okay, Manisha, what are the slogans?
Okay, Sonia, let's listen the slogans.
Long live Manish, long live. Long live Manish, long live. Down, down, inspector, down, down. Down, down, inspector, down, down.
Save students.
Save students.
It seems a big army is marching. Let us see now.
If you continue, we will fight.
It's Sonia, it's Manisha, cameraman Islam with Vigar TV signing off.
Over the boy of class 8 committing suicide. Actually, he did not attempt suicide. He just was playing with his handkerchief. Now, the issue has gone to CBI. CBI officer comes from Delhi to inquire the case where an innocent inspector of a school has been kept in custody. The CBI officer tries to get the material evidence, the broken bow.
Yes, sir. Come this side. I am a strict officer from CBI. I am here to inquire you the case filed about you.
Sir, I am very innocent. I have not committed any crime. It's just a misunderstanding.
Criminals tremble at my side. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
First of all, I want to take rest and investigate his case. Constable, bring one chair.
So happy. Hey you, come and help. Sir, one doubt, sir.
You may ask.
Sir, how much ton of price do you have really, sir?
Shut up! Don't ask this nonsense. First, you bring the chair.
Sir, chair, sir.
Hey, you, come here. I think you must be very dangerous. I want to deal this case very nicely. You may go. Question number 1. Did you inspect class 8?
Yes, sir. Question number 2. Did you write the question? Who broke the bow?
Yes, sir.
Question number 3. Did they say Manish broke the bow?
Yes, sir.
My final question. Then, where is the broken bow?
Which bow, sir?
Don't do like this. You are my friend. Don't worry. Please cooperate with me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please cooperate with me. You are a good inspector. You are earning monthly 80,000 salary. Why are you doing like this? What about your family?
Sir, I have 2 children, sir.
What are their names?
Motu Badlu, sir.
What a combination, what a combination. I like this. What are they doing?
Sir, they are studying in school, sir.
Oh, in school.
Sir, Badlu was studying in 11th standard. Sir, I want to tell you one thing, sir.
Come here.
Sir, Motu was failed twice in 9th standard, sir.
Then I am asking about your family, but you are not asking.
Sorry, sir. Sir, tell me something about you, sir.
Same to same. I also have 2 children.
What are they doing, sir?
Sir, same to same. They are studying in school.
What are their names?
Their name is Polu and Kalu.
What a combination, what a combination.
I like your spirit. I like your spirit. Now we come to the investigation. Now answer my question.
Okay, sir.
Did you inspect class 8?
Yes, sir.